How y'all doing out there? Welcome back to Clayton Showalter's YouTube channel here. We've got this carburetor for the 2004 Honda ES, or 2004 Honda Recon ES quad. We've got the carburetor all cleaned up here for it. And we've got our rebuild kit. And so we're gonna go ahead and put her together here. And we'll bring you along. So I'm gonna bring you in close so you can see kind of exactly what's going on here. Let's focus you in. We're gonna put the needle in, and here's the needle here. Let's make sure you guys are in frame. Get this little needle out, and let's see, all nice and clean out in there. Nice clean carburetor. There's the bowl. You remember what it looked like before. It wasn't too bad, but we needed to clean it. So make sure everything's in focus here. That's the biggest thing. I gotta make sure that you guys are in focus and I'm not just talking and explaining something to you and then I'm way off over here where you can't see anything. What fun is that? That's no fun. Get this needle out here. And we'll compare them here. I say they look to be the same. Of course, you guys probably ain't seeing those. There's the needles there. So we'll go ahead and drop our needle down in here. That there. And we'll actually what we'll do is I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this here. There's a slot right there. That goes right in there. Trying to hold steady for you. Now we can just take this. Come on now. There we go. And we'll take this little pin. We'll drive her back into place here. I'll try to get my fingers out of the way so you guys can see this. I'm staying in focus here. And we'll take this little punch here. I ain't gonna get crazy with it. Just need to tap it in there. Make sure, bring you in close. Make sure that needle goes up and down like it's supposed to. And we'll put the slide this piece, slide that piece in there. You'll tighten with a wrench. And you don't need to tighten it a whole bunch. Then we'll put that guy there. I'm sorry if I'm not naming the part on that. I'm not sure what that part is. Some of you out there that do carburetors for a living will know what that's called. This is all the brand new stuff that came in the kit. And just snug it up. That's all you gotta do. And you gotta get crazy. Then I'll move this out of the way a little bit and put this little plastic piece back on here. And it just slips on there. It's got a little area how it fits in there. Just fits on there loose. I don't know why that is, but that'll probably fall off again. But what I want to show you is y'all hang on. I'm gonna get you a better shot of these here. Those are the jets. That's the old one or the original one. That's the new one. Y'all hang on. All right, we're back here. Sorry for the camera wiggling around. That's the old jet or needle. That's the new one. And I can't tell with my eye, but my camera's picking this up pretty good. That looks a little fatter than that one. And I want to put the new one in, but it may not meter the fuel right or function properly. I had this happen from my parts dealer. Got a carburetor rebuild kit for a Polaris and put the new one of these in, the new jet, and the darn thing, I could never get it to idle. It'd run fine, but it just never could idle. So took it to the shop, and they said they put another jet in it to make it idle and all that. So I'm kind of thinking I might go with this one, 'cause that looks a little thinner. I mean, when I look at them up close, they seem pretty close, but anyways, y'all hang on. We'll bring you back. All right, we're back here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this jet in here, and I'm gonna tighten it down. I'm gonna just go ahead and use this new one, and we'll see how it runs and acts. And if it's giving me a fit or it won't idle, we'll pull this jet and stick the old one back in. That way I can tell the parts dealer that your jets are not right, or wherever you're getting them from. So I'm going to back that out a turn and a half, give or take. Let's go ahead and put this piece back in here. Snug it up. Oh, and I'm forgetting something. I'm getting ahead of myself here on this jet. Don't forget to put your spring on there. See that little spring? I was putting it in without it, so don't forget to put your spring on there. Otherwise that jet might vibrate out of there. And you don't want that. Snug it up. Don't go crazy. Just a little till you feel it tighten. That's it. Half turn, full turn, half turn. So I'm just going to leave it at a turn and a half, and we'll see where she winds up at. I'm going to take the bowl. We've got this plug that goes in here, and just tighten it in until it seats. We got the new O-rings on there. That's in there. Now we'll take our new gasket, set that in place. We'll try not to let this plastic thing come off of there. Now we'll go ahead and put the new screws in her. And just tighten these down in a little crisscross pattern, and you'll be just fine. Alright, I don't want to make this video too long. We're going to pause it. We'll bring it back when we got her put on the quad there. Y'all bear with me. Alright, I'm back. I just wanted to show you this here. This piece goes on here just like this. It's just like that. Get a screw in there. Get it started. Come on now. Alright, what's going on here? Of course. There. Just wasn't holding it right. Trying to make sure you guys can see what's going on. How's everybody doing out there? Y'all doing good? I hope you are. Hope you enjoy this video here. I hope it helps you. Just snug those up there. Don't go crazy because you'll strip that aluminum out real quick. So, and on these lines, that one goes there. This one curves around and goes this one goes there. This one goes right here. It's a shorter one, and this longer one goes here. and that's your fuel inlet coming from the tank, from your fuel tank. So we'll bring you back here. Alright, we're back here. Sorry for the camera wiggling around. It's just my phone I'm recording on. I don't have image stabilization. Here's the carburetor here. We're gonna put the choke assembly on. You gotta set that spring there like that. And set this into place. And that end of that spring's gotta be on the back right here where this notch is. So I'm probably gonna have to fuss with it just to get it where I want it. So I know you won't be able to really see what's going on, but if I can't see, then it's not gonna go together properly. So that's how that functions there. This goes up here. It goes on there like that. Try to get our cable popped back in here. Trying to hold this and do a couple things at once. There. You gotta keep pressure on that so that spring don't pop out of there. I hope I'm in frame here. That screw to start. There you go. Pull our paper towel out of the way here. And we can slide that tube down through there like that. And don't forget, put your new O-ring on there. Well, this one there, I think that fit a little better. And here's your nuts, holds the carburetor on. They're 10mm. I know you won't be able to see on this side here, but this one's a little bit more of a booger. So and just tighten them down as evenly as you can. You don't got to tighten them too hard. And then take your throttle valve. And this notch, there's a notch down in there. I'm not going to be able to get you down in there to see that, but you'll know when it goes in, because it just it'll fall in and it'll go into place. And the kit did come with that new needle. I don't think I need to use it, but if something not functioning properly on this, we'll put her in. But I just want to see what it does, because you don't know if it's doing something, and then you try different things and figure it out instead of just slapping something all together. So, alright, we'll bring you back. I'll get everything kind of going here. The choke lever is busted up by the handlebar. So, that's how the carburetor goes on there. So I hope you like this video. We'll bring you back when we're doing another one. Try not to make it too long. So, y'all, thanks for watching. Y'all take care.